Hi everybody, my name is Teacher Daniel. I'm going to teach you zero level. Je suis le teacher Daniel, je vais vous enseigner le zéro niveau. Et on va commencer avec les instructions. We're going to start with instructions. En bas, je vais mettre comment prononcer ça. Instruction. Répétez après moi, instructions. Et comment dire répéter après moi? En anglais, on va dire repeat after me. Repeat. Repeat. Repeat after me. C'est-à-dire répéter après moi. Et on a aussi une autre instruction pour dire encore, again. Et again. C'est-à-dire pour dire encore, vous répétez ça encore. Repeat after me, instructions. Instructions. Again, instructions. Et j'aimerais que vous puissiez répéter vite. Que vous puissiez répéter vite. Et pour répéter vite, l'instruction est speak fast, c'est-à-dire répéter rapidement. Instructions, speak fast, instructions. Ça veut dire répéter rapidement. À part ça, on a aussi speak slowly. Speak slowly. C'est-à-dire il faut répéter lentement. Lentement. Speak slowly. Ici, je mets la prononciation de slowly. Slowly. C'est-à-dire lentement. On va essayer ensemble. We're going to try together. Instructions. Speak fast, instructions. Speak slowly, instructions. OK? On continue. We keep on. À part ça, apart from these, on a aussi, we have speak. Let's write it here. On va mettre ça de l'autre côté. Parler à haute voix. Speak up. Quand on va parler vite, ça va sonner speak up. Repeat after me. Speak up. Speak up. C'est-à-dire parler à haute voix. Le mot que vous répétez, vous devez également répéter ça à haute voix. Example. Repeat after me. Instructions. Instructions. Speak up. Instructions. OK? Vous parlez à haute voix. Ce sont des instructions que nous allons beaucoup utiliser. Et aussi, on peut utiliser finish. On peut utiliser finish quand on finit une activité ou un exercice. OK? Et on va un peu revoir quelques instructions. On va répéter ça ensemble. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. C'est-à-dire répéter après moi. Again. Encore. Speak fast. Répétez rapidement. Speak slowly. Répétez lentement. Speak up. Répétez à haute voix. OK? Et now, we move to the following lesson. We're going to talk about the English alphabet. On va parler de l'alphabet anglais ensemble. I'm cleaning. J'efface. Et il faut vraiment garder ces instructions capitales qu'on va utiliser comme notre cours est en train de se suivre. On va passer à l'alphabet anglais. Hi everybody, thank you for watching this channel, the Goose King channel. Today you'll be with me, teacher Daniel. We're going to talk about the English alphabet. Okay? Let me write the English alphabet. 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 Repeat after me. The English alphabet. Again. Repeat after me. The English alphabet. Nice. Okay. The English alphabet has 26 letters, which are. Repeat after me. The English alphabet has 26 letters, which are. Very good. Let's write it. The English alphabet. The English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters, which are. I'm going to write down here. How to pronounce, ok? En bas, je vais écrire comment prononcer. Ne confondez pas, don't confuse with the spelling, the correct spelling of the words. Ne confondez pas ça avec l'orthographe correcte de mots, ok? Ici, on va prononcer which are. On fait la liaison, we're going to link, ok? On fait la liaison ici. Which are. The English alphabet has 26 letters, which are. Which are. The pronunciation is which are. Okay? The English alphabet has letters. As you can notice, this is not the International Phonetics Association. This is a phonetics that we try to adapt, okay? C'est une phonétique qu'on adapte pour nous faciliter à tout le monde de parler l'anglais, okay? Repeat after me. As 26 letters, which are. Good. We keep on continue. The first letter, A. Repeat after me, A. Okay, now we have, ici on a, excuse me, B. Repeat after me, B. Again. Speak fast. Nice. We keep on. On continue. C. We have A, B, C. Okay? A, B, C, D here. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D. Again. Speak fast. Again. Very good. Let's keep on. We have E. C'est un I long. Okay, it's a long vowel sound. C'est pour cela j'ai mis le 2 points ici. On va prononcer I. Repeat after me. E. Again. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Let's keep on. Repeat after me. F. Say it again. Say it again. Very good. Nice. Let's keep on. G. Repeat after me, G. Say it again. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Repeat after me, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Say it again. Once more, please. Une fois de plus. Once more. Okay. Let's keep on. We have H. Repeat after me, H. Say it again, H. Again. Speak fast. H. Like triple H, okay? We have I. Repeat after me, I. Say it again, I. Again. Speak fast. Very good, very good. I. I, J. I, J. We have H, I, J. Repeat after me, H, I, J. So again, H, I, J. Nice. Let's keep on. K. Repeat after me, K. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Okay, H, I, J, K. Now we have L here. Repeat after me, L. Repeat after me, L. Again. Very good. H, I, J, K, L. After L, we have M. Repeat after me, M. Say it again, M. Again, fast. Very good. Okay. Let's keep on. J, K, L, M, N. Repeat after me, N. Say it again, N. Say it again, N. Okay, speak fast. Very good. Repeat after me, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Say it again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now we have O. Repeat after me, O. Look, repeat after me, O. O. Try to look at my mouth, okay? Essayez de voir, de regarder là, comment je prononce, okay? Ma bouche. O. Repeat after me, O. Very good. O, P. O, P. O, P. We have P. Repeat after me, P. Again, P. After P, we have Q. Repeat after me, Q. Say it again, Q. Repeat after me, Q. We have O, P, Q, R, R. O, P, Q, R. Repeat after me, R. Say it again, R. Say it again. O, P, Q, R. Try to look at my mouth, okay, the way I pronounce it. R. Repeat after me, R. Yeah. O, P, Q, R, S, S. Repeat after me, S. Say it again. Say it again. Huh. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Repeat after me, T. Say it again, T. Repeat after me, T. Nice. Yeah. And we finish here with U. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Repeat after me, U. Say it again. So now we're going to clean these parts, okay? We're going to clean this part. Now let's repeat together, okay? Let's repeat together. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Again. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay. Let's keep on. We keep on. We keep on by adding the rest. On continue en ajoutant ce qui reste. We have V, V. Repeat after me. V. Say again. V. Okay. V, W, V, W. Repeat after me. W, W. Say it again. Yes, once more. Une fois de plus. Once more. Again. V, W, X. Repeat after me. X. Say again. X. V, W, X. Repeat after me. V, W, X. Say it again. V, W, X. Once more. V, W, X, Y. Y. Repeat after me. Y. Y. Okay. And Z. Repeat after me. Z. Say it again. Z. Y, Z. Very good. Well done. Now we're going to go over all this together. We go over. Are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? I'm ready. Moi, je suis prêt. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Nice. Okay. I see that you have already mastered this part. Je vois que vous maîtrisez très bien cette partie. We're going to do an exercise together. On va faire un exercice ensemble. Are you ready? Okay. We're going to clean here. We're going to clean to make an exercise. Clean all this. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. Be ready. Be ready. Soyez prêts. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. The name of our exercise, we're going to call it spelling names. Repeat after me, spelling names. Okay, spelling names. We're going to spell names together. We're going to spell names together. C'est-à-dire l'orthographe de nom. Are you ready? Okay, now we're going to make the exercise. The title, we have exercise. Make an exercise on the English alphabet. Spelling, you got spelling names. Spelling names. Are you ready? Here we're going to try to master, to make sure that everybody masters this part. On va s'assurer que tout un chacun maîtrise cette partie de l'alphabet avec la pratique. Be ready. Be ready. The first question is, what's your name? Repeat after me, what's your name? Repeat after me, what's your name? Speak fast. Nice. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? The pronunciation, okay? The pronunciation. We have what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Repeat after me, what's your name? Okay. How to answer to this question? how to answer. You answer by saying, vous répondez en disant, you answer by saying, my name is. Repeat after me, my name is. My name is Teacher Daniel. Okay, my name is Daniel. My name. You answer by saying my name. My name is Daniel. My name is Daniel. This is my name. This is my name. Ça c'est mon nom. What's your name? Okay. Next, after this, I want to know how you can spell your name. Après ça, j'aimerais savoir comment vous pouvez épeler votre nom. How do you spell it? Repeat after me. How do you spell it? That's okay. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Okay, how? We have to write it in red. Let's put it in red. How? Comment est-ce que vous l'appelez? How? Comment? How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Repeat after me fast. How do you spell it? Say again. How do you spell it? Comment est-ce que vous l'appelez? J'appelle ça. I spell it. You answer. You hear you answer. You say, I spell it. Repeat after me. I spell it. Say it again. Again. I spell it. I spell it. I spell it. I spell it. D-A-N-I-E-L. Okay? The way you're spelling your name, you have to do it letter by letter. Okay? D-A-N-I-E-L. That's my name. Okay? How do you spell your name? How do you spell it? Try to spell it. Essayez d'épeler cela. Okay. That's okay. Very good. Now, another question. I want to know. Je veux savoir comment est-ce qu'on t'appelle chez les gens. Okay? I ask you this question. I'm going to ask you this question. How do people call you? How do people call you? How do people call you? Repeat after me. How? Let's do it together. How? Okay. How? Comment? How do people call you? Call you. Comment est-ce que les gens t'appellent? How do people call you? Call me. You answer by saying, call me. Call me. Call me. Call me. Call me Daniel. Call me Daniel. It means, ça veut dire, on m'appelle Daniel. Tu peux m'appeler Daniel. Okay? Nice. That's okay. Let's keep on. Another question. I want to know how do you write it? How do you write it? How do you write your name? I ask you this question. How do you write it? How do you write it? Repeat after me. How do you write it? Say it again. How do you write it? Okay. Let's write the pronunciation. How do you write? You can write it. Repeat after me. Write. Say Say it again, right. Say it again, right. Okay, right. How do you write it? Comment est-ce que tu l'écris? You answer by saying, I write it. I write it. I write it. It, your name. I write my name. D A N I E L. This is the way I write my name. This is the way to write my name. C'est la manière dont il faut qu'on utilise pour écrire mon nom. Ok, mon nom s'écrit comme ça. This is the way. How do you write it? How do you write your name? I write it. Okay, that's the way you write your name. Now, another question. Let's take another question. We're going to clean here. Okay, we clean the first question. Let's clean it. Let's clean it. I'm cleaning it. I'm cleaning the first question. Finish. Okay, finish. Now we're going to put the fifth. Okay, number 5. I want to know your full name. Ton nom complet. Ton nom complet. I ask you this question. What's your full name? Repeat after me. What's your full name? Okay. What's your full name? What's your full name? What's your full name? Repeat after me. Full name. Repeat full name. Say it again. Full name. Full name. Okay. It means ton nom complet. Okay. You answer saying my full name is. Repeat after me. My full name is. Say it again. My full name is. Yeah. My full name. My full name is Daniel Us. Repeat after me. My full name is. Yeah, this is my full name. So you have to put your full name. Pour vous, vous devez mettre votre nom complet, tous vos noms. Ok, mettez tous vos noms. Ok, what's your full name? Yes, tous vos noms. Okay, next, we have another question here. Let's take number 6. Another question. I want to know your first name. C'est-à-dire prénom, ton prénom. Repeat after me. What's your first name? Say it again. Say it again. Yeah. What's your first name? What's your first name? What's your first name? First name, prénom. Ton prénom. What's your first name? My first name. Repeat after me. First. Say again. First. My first name is. Yeah, you understood. Daniel. It's clear. My first name is Daniel. Now, what's your first name? Your first name? Your first name is David. Maybe. Your first name is Sarah. Okay? Your first name, ton prénom. After first name, I'm cleaning this. After first name, let me clean also the rest. After first name, I want to know your family name. Repeat after me, family. Say again, family. Again. Again. Okay. Let's say, what's your family? What's your family name? What's your family name? Family name. What's your family name? C'est-à-dire, quel est ton nom de famille? Généralement, ici, on dit ton nom comme un moka. Ok? Family name. What's your family name? My family name is us. Okay? My family name is us. This is my family name. This is my family name. What's your family name? What's your family name? My family name is... Okay, you give your family name. 8. We can say, on peut aussi dire, we can say family name or last name. On peut parler de family name, on peut parler de last name. Repeat after me, last name. Say again, last name. Again. Okay, last name. What's your last name? What's your last name? What's your last name? My last name is us. It's the same thing. The pronunciation here is last name, okay? Last name. Let's make it more clear. On va rendre ça un peu plus clair. Last. Repeat after me. Last name, okay? Last name. Let's do it together. Last name. Repeat after me. Last name. Okay. What's your last name? My last name is. You give your last name. Now, we have another question here. On a une autre question ici. Number 9. Let's take, what's your nickname? What's your nickname? Nickname, c'est-à-dire surnom. What's your nickname? What's your nickname? What's your nickname? What's your nickname? Repeat after me, nickname. Say again, nickname. Repeat after me, nickname. Ok. Quel est ton surnom? Quel est ton surnom? My nickname. You say my nickname. My nickname is Danos. Okay. Repeat after me. My nickname is. Repeat after me. My nickname is. Et here you put your nickname. Ici vous mettez votre nickname. My nickname is Danos. What's your nickname? What's your nickname? Okay. And don't confuse nickname with surname. Ne confondez pas nickname avec surname. Souvent, dans le cahier, on voit surname. Il y a certains cahiers, tu achètes un cahier, on t'écrit surname. Surname. What's your surname? Surname. Surname, c'est ton nom de famille. C'est pas ton surnom. Ok? Surname. The pronunciation is surname. Like surname. Surname. C'est-à-dire ton nom de famille. Ce n'est pas ton surnom. Repeat after me. What's your surname? Say again. What's your surname? My surname is. My surname is. My surname is. My surname is. Us. Mon nom de famille. my surname is Us. This is my surname. C'est mon nom de famille. Okay? Now, let's pass to some details. This is the exercise that we've done. I guess if you understand very well, you can speak English easily from now on. Si vous avez bien compris déjà, vous pouvez poser autant de questions déjà en anglais. Et les gens seront étonnés de comment vous parlez déjà très bien l'anglais comme ça. Ok, on continue. We keep on with some details. Before it's done, we finish the exercise. Finish the exercise. Now we're going to note. On va noter bien. We're going to put a note. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. Oh, let's clean out. Phase 2. We have to note that we're still in the English alphabet. The English alphabet. Note, on va noter que we have, repeat after me, capital letter. Repeat after me, capital. As you write it, comme vous écrivez ça. Ça se prononce comme ça. Capital letter. Capital letter. Capital letter. Capital letter, let's give an example. Capital letter, c'est-à-dire lettre majuscule. Capital A, for example. Par exemple, on a capital A. Repeat after me, capital A. Say it again. Say it again. Capital A. Say it again. Yeah, capital. Capital A. C'est-à-dire A majuscule. And the contrary is small. Okay, small, c'est-à-dire petit. Small. I'm going to write it here. J'écris ça ici. Small. Small letter. Repeat after me. Small letter. Second, small letter. Okay, small. You pronounce it like this. Small. The pronunciation, small. Okay? Small letter. Repeat after me, letter. Yeah, letter. C'est-à-dire lettre. Small letter. Lettre minuscule, comme on dirait en français. Lettre minuscule. Example. C'est small a. Small a. Repeat after me, small a. Say it again, small a. C'est-à-dire A minuscule. Okay? Okay, nice. And we have the verb to capitalize. 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 Capitalize veut dire mettez en majuscule. Okay? Mettre en majuscule. To capitalize. Mettre en majuscule. Capitalize, c'est-à-dire met en majuscule. Ok? You get me? Vous me comprenez? Ok, nice. Let's keep on. Repeat after me. Capital letter. Small letter. Capitalize. Very good. I guess it is all for our English alphabets. And now we're moving to another lesson. Keep watching. This is the GoSkin Center, the GoSkin Structure. This is our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.